Guys, we're back with Environmental Resource Center frequently asked questions, and today we're going to discuss when a container can be considered empty that once held a hazardous waste. So we will have another video that discusses the empty rule under the Department of Transportation, and I'll link that below this video, so be sure to check that out because of course you have to comply with both sets of regulations sometimes. So RCRA Empty means you have first removed as much as practicable from the container using common methods such as pumping, pouring, and no more than 1 inch of the material remains on the bottom of the container. And this is commonly called the 1 inch rule. Another way to determine if it's empty is by weight. So you've removed as much as practicable and no more than 3% by weight of the total capacity of the container remains if it's non-bulk, and no more than 0.3% of a bulk container remains. Now, remember, a bulk container is one that's greater than 119 gallons in capacity. So for gases, they are considered RCRA empty when the container reaches atmospheric pressure. And for acutely hazardous waste, the container is empty if it was triple rinsed with a solvent capable of removing hazardous waste or cleaned by another method that's equivalent to the cleanliness it would get with the triple rinse. Now, remember the rinsate from that container, it may be classified as hazardous waste. So you're going to need to do a waste evaluation on any leftover rinsate from triple rinsing that acutely hazardous waste container. So if your container doesn't meet any of these definitions for RCRA empty that I just listed, you are going to need to manage the entire container as hazardous waste as if it were full. I also wanted to mention, if you are not up to date on your RCRA training, you can learn all of this and more in our training classes. So if you go to our website, it's ircweb.com, select training, hit the course listing, and here you can find anything related to hazardous waste. You can take our hazardous waste management course as a seminar with a live instructor in person over several days. You can take a webcast, which is also a live instructor, or if online training at your own pace is more your speed, we also offer this as computer-based training. Check out our transportation playlist or the link below this video where I'll link our DOT empty definition video, because remember, you're going to need to comply with 2 regulations at the same time there. So please like and follow this video so you can see more frequently asked questions from Environmental Resource Center.